Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can turn on and off the one-handed mode on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. Scroll all the way down and go to Accessibility and Convenience. Over here you will find one-handed mode, and you can simply press this slider in order to turn on one-handed mode. So in order to turn it on, you will also need to enable navigation gestures first, so we can go to System Navigation and then enable gestures. Now let's go back, let's re-enable one-handed mode, and now we can swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode, and we can swipe up or tap the area at the top of the screen to exit. So if you swipe like this, then you will use the one-handed mode, and if you tap at the top of the screen, or if you swipe like this, then you will exit the one-handed mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!